Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to link PS5 account to Epic Games account. Alright, let's begin. First, open a web browser on your phone or computer and go to the Epic Games website. Once the page loads, click Sign In at the top right corner. You can sign in using your Epic Games account details. If required, enter the security code sent to you and complete the login. After signing in, click your profile name in the top right corner and select Account. On the Account page, look to the left side menu and tap Linked Accounts. Here you will see different platforms listed. Find PlayStation Network and tap Link. Next, tap Connect Account. A PlayStation Network pop-up will appear. Sign in using your PlayStation Network credentials. Once signed in, review the permissions and confirm that you want to connect both accounts. So that's basically how you can link PS5 account to Epic Games account. That's it for this video. Thanks.